welcome to another video. Again, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. Now, on my previous live stream, I went step by step through the process of regrouping. I purposely did not solve for the answers to these problems because I didn't even want anybody watching thinking about the answers. I wanted 100% focus on the regrouping process. I wanted everybody watching the video to understand step by step when to regroup and how to regroup. And I didn't want anybody thinking about what the answers to these problems were. Now, in this video, I'm actually going to solve for the answers. Solving for the answers is the easy part. Once all the regrouping is complete, once all the top numbers are equal to or bigger than all the bottom numbers, the subtraction part, in most cases, students find that the easiest. So again, to ensure that you're ready to subtract, you got to make sure all the top numbers are equal to or bigger than the bottom numbers. They can be equal, they can be the same, but they cannot be smaller. So in the first problem, 548 minus 329. 5 is bigger than 3, 4 is bigger than 2, 18 is bigger than 9. Sorry, 5 is bigger than 3, 3 is bigger than 2, 18 is bigger than 9. 5 is bigger than 3, 3 is bigger than 2, 18 is bigger than 9. So all the top digits are bigger, so we're ready to subtract. Now, when we subtract, we always start in the ones place. We always start with the digits all the way to the right. So we're going to start with 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 equals 9. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 548 minus 329 equals 219. Next problem. So again, just checking quickly, making sure all the top digits are bigger. They are. And we always start in the ones place. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 751 minus 190 equals 561. All right, problem number 3. 314 minus 125. All the top digits are bigger. We are ready to go. So starting in the ones place, 14 minus 5 equals 9. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And we have our answer, 314 minus 125 equals 189. Next problem, we have 862 minus 159. So again, check, make sure the top digits are equal to or bigger than the bottom digits. 8 is bigger than 1. In the tens place, both numbers are the same. They're equal. We have 5 minus 5. And again, it's okay if the top digit is the same as the bottom digit. It just can't be smaller. As long as it's not smaller, it works. All right, and 12 is bigger than 9, so we're ready to subtract, starting in the ones place. Twelve minus 9 equals 3. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 8 minus 1 equals 7. And we have our final answer, 862 minus 159 equals 703. All right, final problem of the video. 611 minus 120. So all the top digits are bigger than the bottom digits. We're ready to subtract. Starting in the ones place, we always start in the ones place. We always start in the column all the way to the right. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 611 minus 120 equals 491. So that concludes my subtraction live stream today. As you can tell, once we get the regrouping out of the way, the actual subtraction is very, very easy. The subtraction is the easiest part. The challenging part is determining whether or not the problem needs to be regrouped and completing the regrouping. But thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to hit the like button, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will try to do a future video on that skill. So again, be sure to watch the previous live stream. I did one live stream where I did all of the regrouping, and then I did another live stream where I subtracted for the answers. And that's not what I typically do. Typically, I'll go through each problem step by step and find the answer, but I really wanted everybody watching to just focus and understand the process of regrouping. I wanted to zero in on that process. Since I have so many students that are fantastic at subtraction, but then whenever a subtraction problem needs to be regrouped, they're stuck, and their fluency is fantastic. Like I have students that can subtract 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers even probably, as long as there's no regrouping involved. But the regrouping makes it tricky. So that's why I had to come out with 2 live streams today. One live stream focused exclusively on regrouping, where I didn't even try to solve for the answers, and then the second live stream where I did just the subtraction. But watch both videos, leave comments, let me know if this was helpful, and I will see you all next time.